Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Notion to Dropbox using Integrately. It's a simple way to back up or store your Notion files automatically. First, head over to integrately.com, then log into your Integrately account. To get started, search for and select Notion as your first app. Then search for and choose Dropbox as your second. You'll also find the direct Integrately link for this automation in the description below. From the list of available one-click automations, find Create Dropbox Folder from New Notion Database item and click Activate. First, you'll need to connect your Notion account, making sure to grant access to the correct pages. After that, select the specific database that will trigger this automation. Next, connect your Dropbox account. Once it's authorized, select the parent folder where you want to create new folders and click Continue. In the Automation Builder, you'll need to map the required fields. For this example, map the folder name using the project name from your Notion database item. Finally, click the Test and Turn On toggle to activate your automation. You'll see a confirmation that your process is live. And remember, the Integrately link is in the description so you can set this up instantly. And that's it. Notion to Dropbox all set up with Integrately. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description link to try it for yourself.